But this feels right, so stay a sec. Yeah, you feel right, so stay a sec. And let me crawl inside your veins. I'll build a wall, give you a ball and chain. It's not like me to be so mean. You're all I wanted, just to let me hold you like a hostage. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focused on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt.
So, I'm on a mission there, I got the wrong mic. Right, Anya, what do you think of the performance tonight?
Oh, that was just lush. It was such a smart mashup. I mean, if you looked at them two songs separately, you'd never really think, oh yeah, mashup. But that was such a nice surprise. It was so stripped back as well. It was so beautiful. I literally couldn't take my eyes off it for like a good 3 minutes. I was like, right, I need to write something before I forget everything. It was just incredibly beautiful in a way. It was like so almost like kind of haunting, but kind of not, if you get what I mean. You're just both so incredibly talented. I'm literally going to be so short and sweet because, you know, Joey talks for hours. So, Kelly.
Yeah, I'm going to be short and sweet because I just want to see what you've got to do with your next song, because that's what I get from you. I want to hear more. I want to see what you do next. I think it was a really clever mashup. The two songs blended so well together, and your voices together were just really beautifully dark, if that makes sense. You just conveyed every single emotion with both of the songs. I thought it was really intelligent and really well performed. Fantastic job, both of you. Well done.
Yeah, it's very impressive, considering you had to jump in last minute tonight, guys. It's very rushed and that sort of thing, but honestly, you did pull it off really, really well. For anybody to come up with the idea of putting Johnny Cash and Billie Eilish together is absolutely remarkable, because who would have thought of that? You two did, and it worked well, really, really well. Again, I just want to pick up quickly, absolutely stunning vocals. It was lovely to hear more of you tonight too, Will. We got to hear your tones and what you offered to the duo. And yeah, all I can say is absolutely stunning. I could hear this something like this is exactly what you would hear on the radio today and now. Sorry guys, but I feel like I'm going to scream and start throwing pints in the other room. Where's the noise coming from? Okay, I heard something over there then. No, it's okay. Right, anyway. Anyway, it was absolutely fantastic. I'm really, really impressed with that performance, alright? Round of applause for him, please, guys. Right.